What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And as you can tell by the title, we're heading to Daytona for Clean Culture. It's gonna be me and the homies. I'm gonna jump out and show the cars who's gonna be rolling out with us. But also take a look at the shirt. Let me see if you can. Got this made by the homie Latin Snaps. He has his own company, Latin Prints. He's doing shirts, air fresheners, phone cases, masks, like mugs, like you name it, he's doing it. So definitely hit him up at Latin Snaps on Instagram. Also, we have a few other people who may be coming. I'm trying to get confirmation now, just to see, and then we'll be heading out. We'll meet up in Daytona at a restaurant and then roll into the show together. But yeah, let's go ahead and get out and take a look at the cars. Of course, we got the usual suspects going. Taking a look at some wheels right now inside the speed zone. And the homie Gavin came out, his midnight edition. Freshly clean roof wrap. I believe that's a still in front end, and then he got the, I don't know if they call them eyelids or eyelashes or something like that. I don't know exactly what they call, but looks dope. And he got the red brake calipers, very clean. I believe that's gonna be all of us for right now. The rest are gonna meet us once we get to Daytona. Probably gonna be getting some shots. Latin Snaps most likely is gonna get them. I'm probably gonna see if I can get some from him before I get this video out. So hopefully I'll throw some clips in. Alright, so we just getting here. We got a nice little turnout here. Excuse me. Very clean. Maximus is reigning supreme today. Let me know what you think. And as always, let me know which one's your favorite out of everybody who's here. We got the homie Freddie as well. Alright, look at that. I'm gonna wait till he pull around to the other side. Alright, here he is. Real close. It was like a couple minutes after us, so not bad, not bad. Looking clean, and he came all the way from Tampa, so definitely dope. I'll go ahead and I'll probably save the rest of the recording for when we get there, because it's probably gonna be a long video. Actually, I do want to get them real quick because they look pretty clean before we head on out. Got this Altima G37 Q50s. What's up? What's up? Looking clean, looking clean. Definitely let me know what's your favorite. Alright, finally got Jeff on the vlog. It's been a minute. Good seeing him. Car looks great as always. Pretty clean lineup. Need to get a good thumbnail picture. Oh, you gotta see his trunk too. Oh yeah, that's right, that's right. Okay, so change of plans. They're actually at capacity. We couldn't get in. We was in line for about 50 minutes or so. Come to find out they're at capacity, so we can't even get in the show. So we're about to figure out what we're gonna do next.
It's over with.
Yeah. Looks like we all could fit in here. Okay, cool, cool. We got everybody. Looks like we got some other people that kind of came in with us too. But yeah, they had us doing like a whole maze, went all the way around, and then come to find out, they're like, yeah, we're at capacity, but instead of having signs out or anything, they just got us going in loops. So, yeah. So we decided to come back to the Hooters where we met up At least some of us. We all didn't make it. Some already ate, and some are just like, alright, they going home. So this is the squad. We're gonna eat, and then we'll see. We'll try to get in again after we're done. But yeah, stay tuned. Alright, we done eating. White, black, white, black. What's up? So this is the Bass Pro Shop meat for everybody who couldn't get in. And that car that you hear is a King. There's definitely a lot of people out here. No music playing, so it's not quite the same, but some dope cars nonetheless. We might go try, see if we can walk across the street, but check this out in the meantime. Looks like we're moving again to Best Buy now. It's dope. What's up? Okay. Yeah, nice. Real clean. Seen him when he was on that U-turn. GMRs. Alright. Lined up again. About to try. I'm losing count of how many tries, but we on the way.
Did it really get him?
Hit him up. All right. Yeah. Finally got to see it in person. So clean. So low.
Very nice.
The other group, I don't know where they went, but
You gonna move right now?
No, we gonna go from over there.
Oh, okay.
clean as always.
Yeah, when we first pulled up here,
Alright, so looks like it's a fail. We getting some people who's coming from the show. We were trying to walk over there. People who's coming from there saying that they stopped letting people in. So, even the walk-in people. We see a bunch of people at the gate over there. And he said that's still not the gate to get in. It's still about another mile and a half. So, looks like we were just gonna call it. Yeah, we ain't make it, so we're probably just gonna head home or head to the speed zone or something, go to another event, and that's it. But I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Sorry about the fail, but as always, have a good one. Peace.